Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So before we get into it, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps us to fight the algorithm and push the message of Help Heal Serve out to a broader audience. Also, in the comment section below you will see pinned my Patreon, where I offer a wide range of spiritual services, including one-on-one tutoring, etc, etc. Is it me or is it spirit? So this is something that gets asked very frequently with myself, and for myself it's something that I haven't addressed, I don't think, on this platform yet. Now, what you have to understand is this notion comes down to the conditioning of your mind. Everything comes down to the conditioning of your mind. What do I mean by that bold statement? First of all, you will hear this referred to in many different ways throughout different developments or different people's teachings. Open to work, closed to work, ready to work, not ready to work, working, not working. There's hundreds of different, I'm not going to bore you all with all of these different terminologies, but the only thing that you need to understand with this is your intent to work with spirit, or is your intent for you to live your world? What do I mean by that? Now, if I'm sitting in my car now and I start to hear spirit, then the first thing that I should do, or any one of you should do, is say, I do not accept that. I am not working with spirit. What is this going to allow? So first of all, this is going to assure spirit or the energy that you are not working with them in those moments. Therefore, it is irrelevant whatever they say. Believe me when I say this, they will stop, because they don't want to give you information or to tell you things that you aren't going to be listening to. But we have to do this. Well, there's a lot of you out there thinking, oh my God, Jordan, I can't tell the world of intelligence that I'm not. You can. This is your life. This is your life journey we are going through here. And believe me when I say this, if there's anyone out there who thinks that I'm wrong, understand this. You will find out that I am right along your journey, and you will find out the reasons to which I am speaking of this now. Because if you want to be accurate, you have to know when it is you or when it is spirit. There is no ifs or buts about that. So this is the reason why this is relevant to anyone who wants to become a medium, anyone who wants to become any sort of tarot reader, because there's a lot of tarot readers, especially like myself, who work with spirit at the same time. There's a lot that don't. However, for those of you, if you want to work alongside a spirit, so you know it can be even funner, then understand this. It is very important for you to know when you are working with spirit. For those of you who are out there who are just saying, well, you know, I'm not going to condition my mind because, you know, the spirit world have chosen me and they'll just come through me at any time. Well, I'm sorry, that is not the case. That is not how this works. The spirit world can go to each and every person on this earth plane. It is about you conditioning your mind so that you know when the information is coming from spirit or it is coming from your mind. There has to be a clear divide there. If there isn't a clear divide and you are just picking up information and you think, oh, well, this is cool, how can you use that realistically in your everyday life? How can you use that to aid somebody? You can't, because in the back of your mind, you are going to be diluting the process, because when information comes through from spirit, you are going to be writing it off. Well, actually, that could have been me. We need to come away from that. That does not serve you. It does not serve you where you need to be. How do we switch off, you might be asking? So I'm going to just use switch on, switch off. Okay, I'm not going to use open to work, close to work, any of that. I'm not bothered about it. You have to understand it all comes down to your intent. In those moments when you heard spirit, were you wanting to work with spirit? If the answer is no to that question, then you have to just ignore whatever spirits say. You have to ignore whatever you are listening to. You have to ignore everything that you believe that you are hearing. By doing this, in the first instance, this is going to give spirit, well, actually, hang on, they're not going to listen to me unless they are wanting to work with us. So we are now going to keep this information to ourselves until this individual is in a position and their intent is to work with us. Then they're going to give you the information. This is the on-off. So that there, if you are sitting in, so for example, I'm sitting in my car now and I go, okay, I'm starting to think about spirit now. Everything that comes through now is spirit. If I'm sitting in my car and I'm thinking about Jordan's world and I'm thinking about what I'm going to have for my tea, and then I hear spirit, guess what? That was my mind. It's got to be like that. You've got to condition yourself in such a way. And for anyone who believes there's an element of, something to what I've just said there that is inaccurate, mark my words, you will find out along your divine spiritual path, everything that I've just said there, it should be implemented at the start of your practices. And if you have not been taught that, and if you do not believe you need to condition your mind, then understand this. You're setting yourself up for a big fall. You're setting yourself up for a very difficult time. Because how could you know if it was spirit? How could you know? You can't do any of the things that I've just before mentioned if you have not conditioned your mind. This is about you. This is about you, the watcher. This is about conditioning yourself, priming yourself, ready so that when the information comes in, we can articulate it and deliver that message to whoever needs it. You can't do that if you don't know where you're getting the information from. Now, whether that be with tarot, psychic, whether that be with mediumship, whether that be with trance, all of these different things that come under the same umbrella. Okay, it's all working with energy. I don't care whether it's angels you work with, whether it's unicorns you work with, whether it's fairies you work with, because believe me, you and me, I'm not taking the mick when I say that. These are all things that people do work with. Again, remember, the reason why they believe that they work with these is because the spirit world will come to you in cloak and image. Let's just say, for example, if I was comfortable with the idea of dinosaurs, then the spirit world would come to me and cloak the image of dinosaurs. So when I am working with spirit, I am working with dinosaurs. If spirit come to me and thought, well, actually, Jordan's a bit scared of spirit, so what we're going to do is we're going to come to him as fairies. We know that he likes fairies. Guess what? The spirit world are going to come to you in fairies. Very, very simple. They will cloak an idea. They will cloak something that you are comfortable with. This allows spirit to come close to you and to work with you on a more personal level. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any questions or you've got anything that you want to ask further and you don't understand something that I've mentioned, put it down in the comments box and we'll be sure to do a follow-up video on this. Is it me or is it spirit? It's very, very simple. It is you. You are the one calling the shots here. The spirit world will work with you. However, understand, it all comes down to you, the conditioning of the mind that you have. So I would like to thank each and every one of you who like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps with to fight the algorithm and push the message of Help Heal Serve out to a broader audience. Also, if you did like this, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.